Hi, I'm Dr. Suvarchla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. What is irritable bowel syndrome and does it have an impact on fertility? Irritable bowel syndrome, also called as IBS, is a chronic gastrointestinal disorder characterized by a group of symptoms that typically occur together, including abdominal pain or discomfort and alterations in bowel habits, such as diarrhea, constipation, or altering between the two. The exact cause of IBS is not well understood, but it is thought to be involving a combination of gut-brain interaction, gut motility disturbances, visceral hypersensitivity, immune system activation, and altered gut microbiome. We'll look at the symptoms first. Abdominal pain, like I said, is often cramps and may vary in intensity. It is typically relieved by defecation. A feeling of fullness and swelling in the abdomen, frequent loose or watery stools, infrequent, hard or difficult to pass stools, presence of white or clear mucus in stool are some of the symptoms. Diagnosis is primarily based on clinical symptoms and exclusion of other conditions. So they usually include recurrent abdominal pain at least 1 day per week in the last 3 months to be associated with IBS symptoms. But certain symptoms are also to be looked at. Defecation, change in stool frequency, change in stool form, appearance also has to be associated with IBS. Now, what is the impact of IBS on fertility? While IBS itself does not directly cause infertility, it can have indirect effects on reproductive health and fertility also through various mechanisms. In women, there could be chronic stress and anxiety which could be associated with IBS that can affect menstrual cycles and ovulation. Stress can lead to hormonal imbalances that can indirectly have an effect on fertility. Now, IBS symptoms like chronic diarrhea can lead to malabsorption of nutrients, potentially affecting reproductive health. Deficiencies in essential vitamins and minerals can interfere with regular ovulation and the overall fertility of that individual. Chronic abdominal and pelvic pain associated with IBS can reduce sexual activity and desire, therefore indirectly affecting fertility. Some women with IBS report worsening of gastrointestinal symptoms, including menstruation, which can complicate menstrual health and fertility. In men also, stress and anxiety associated with IBS can affect sexual health and libido, therefore impacting fertility. Depression and low self-esteem can also lead to decreased sexual activity. Chronic gastrointestinal symptoms can lead to nutritional deficiencies that can impact sperm health and overall reproductive health. This chronic discomfort and pain can reduce sexual desire and activity, indirectly affecting fertility. So how do we manage? First, let's talk about medical management. You must work with a physician to effectively manage IBS symptoms with appropriate medications and lifestyle medications. Medications may include antispasmodics, laxatives, antidiarrheal agents, and antidepressants also. Follow a balanced diet tailored to manage IBS symptoms. This diet limits fermentable oligosaccharides, disaccharides, monosaccharides, and polyols. Follow a balanced diet tailored to manage IBS symptoms. The best way to do this is to consult a nutritionist and get the right diet chart for you. Ensure adequate intake of essential nutrients to prevent deficiencies. Engage in stress-reducing activities such as yoga, meditation, counseling, and address your psychological factors with proper counseling, which can improve your overall health and fertility. Maintain regular physical activity to improve gastrointestinal motility and reduce stress. Avoid smoking and excessive alcohol because this can also have an impact. Regular follow-up with gastroenterologist to monitor your IBS and timely management will also help. Consult a fertility specialist if you're trying to conceive. Reveal your medications to them and then they will decide whether they have to modify them, adjust them in order for you to get pregnant naturally or with assistance. For more information, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. A lot of effort has gone into making this video. Please like and subscribe us. Thank you.